pictures, get some drinks, and yeah, let's go.
Just rub your ego. And then
Already here at Napa. My sisters are over there. They're taking photos and we got drinks. It's pretty expensive, but the view is nice, so we're taking a lot of photos here. We're gonna go around and take more photos. About to leave Napa. I'm so tired. Then we're just gonna buy pasalubong next and then probably go home. After waiting for almost an hour, we finally got the biyaya from Balay Dako. It's so warm. Here I got 3 packs because my mom wanted some, and yeah, I'm excited to eat these. We are currently having our 3rd year orientation, and then after this, Anton and I are gonna go to the mall. We have to pick up something, and yeah, I'll just wait for this to finish and then go. Okay, so we're back in the car. We just picked up the pictures for my Lola, and then we bought some food, and that's it. I think we were just here for like 15 minutes.
No. Maybe like 20.
15 to 20 minutes, like super fast lang. We just bought donuts and all for the fam. And yeah, that's it. And we're gonna go home. I like this book. But they say this is better, the second one. I also want to try this. I want to try reading this. Nilagay ko to sa wishlist ko. Yeah. This is my current read. This is the one I was reading yesterday. A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. Oh, they have the other version. We're just staying in fully booked. Look what we're doing right now. We're just playing Mars Waldo. He's so serious about it. Okay, wait, I will. Hi everyone! So today is August 7 and it's a Sunday, and tomorrow is our first day of third year. I'm super nervous, but honestly I don't want to think about it right now. I'm just gonna worry about it tomorrow. I just want to enjoy and relax for my last day of break. I was actually planning to do like a reading wrap-up because the last time I did that was like 3 months ago. I just get and I just feel like you won't hear me if there's like thunderstorms and all that. So I'll just read. I'm choosing between 4 books right now. I was reading one on my iPad called Purple Hearts because it's a movie, and I wanted to read the book first before watching the movie, so I'm already halfway through and I'm not really liking it that much. But I'm also choosing between these 3 books. We have Where the Crawdads Sing, and I think I'm in chapter 5 of this one. Yes, I started all of these already because I couldn't pick what book to read. I also started A Good Girl's Guide to Murder, and this one I'm in chapter 4 already. And then this one I just started a while ago called The Guest List, and I think I'm just in chapter 2. Yes. Yeah, so those are my options, but I feel like I'm gonna finish Purple Hearts and probably choose between these 3. This is the book I'll be reading for now.